Welcome back, you guys. I'm excited to be on another staycation. This time we're at Main Street Hotel and Casino in downtown Las Vegas. We're gonna check out not only a deluxe room, but a suite as well. Check out the casino floor and the restaurants. It's gonna be a great time. Come check it out with me. Main Street Casino is located in downtown Las Vegas. Hotel guests may park free of charge in the open parking lot across the street. Make sure to validate your ticket at the front desk before checkout. Okay, here is our hallway. It's a little dark, but it's a nice short hallway, so it's not a long walk to the room. So here's my room. I already set my bags down over there, so that's mine. But as soon as you walk in, I set some clothes up there, but here's kind of an open closet, no door. And a little couch bench with a fairly large mirror. This is a deluxe 2-queen non-smoking. I will put the price on the screen without taxes, or maybe I will add taxes. But I want to say without taxes, it's about $42. It's a Monday night. So here are our 2 beds, pretty basic. I will say right out the gate though, I think the carpet, it needs a little refresh. It's a little dreary. But the beds do look comfy. There is a chair and a table with a lamp in the corner if you want to sit. And we actually have a view of, let me see. Actually, let me see what our view is. The window's a little bit dirty, but out my window, there's Circa and California Hotel, which I believe there's access or a bridge from within Main Street that we could walk over there. I will check that out later and let you know. Okay, and they have a desk and a chair. Just shut that. And I did notice, which actually makes me really sad, is they don't have a coffee maker. I need to drink coffee. So hopefully they have some coffee downstairs, but yeah, there's no coffee maker. That makes me sad. Their TV is nice and big with some cabinets right there, a drawer. I am guessing they also have a safe and a refrigerator in here. And my guess would be correct. The room does need a refresh though. But the bathroom appears to have had a refresh. So there's the sink. And if we step back a little bit, here is the toilet and shower area. We have these dispensers for body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. The shower, and I like all these little railings so you don't slip. Anyone who needs to use that. The bathroom's nice and clean and cute. It looks like this was remodeled. I'm curious to see what a suite looks like. So let's go check out a suite. Okay, the suite on the 17th floor is located by the elevator. I'm excited to see what this looks like. Oh, okay. It's obviously much bigger than the deluxe room I had earlier. I believe this is a little over or close to 700 square feet. Okay, when you walk in though, there is a bar area. Oh, they have a coffee maker over here. I want this coffee maker in my deluxe room. Obviously bigger. There's a sitting area, there's a dining table, a couch, and 2 chairs with a coffee table. And they have a large TV in this room. Okay, this is the bedroom. This is a king-size bed. Their beds actually look really cozy. Side table, lamp. Nice big TV. And here's the bathroom. I'm hoping this is large. Oh, this looks really large. There's a vanity table with a big mirror. And the iron and ironing board are right here by the door. Nice big sink, toilet, shower. I'm gonna turn on lights. There we go. I definitely am all about bigger space. This is a nice size. Here is the 777 restaurant and brewery. Here is their buffet called Garden Court. On weekdays, and it's a Monday today, it's only open from 8 to 2 p.m. But on weekends, they are open for dinner. Prices here. Ooh, it's kind of right. There we go. I actually have a full video review on the buffet. I will link it in the description box below. Here is the casino floor. They have a little over 800 slot and video poker machines. It's a little quiet. Okay, you guys, we're gonna head over to California Casino. So you take these escalators towards the back and there is a bridgeway that leads over there. So here's what it looks like from above. Once you get up the escalator, you're gonna take these stairs and there's a bridgeway that leads to California. Actually, it's not that far. I was wondering how far it would be. Ooh. So there's the plaza over there. Circa. All right. Oh, it's not that far. This is the bridgeway. Okay, that's so crazy. It can't be far, and let me tell you why, because Main Street does not have a fitness center or a pool, but if you stay there, you're supposed to use the fitness center and the pool at California, so. Well, you guys, that wasn't far at all. Here we are. I don't think I've ever been to California. Okay, so if you get bored over there, you do have the option to come over to California Casino if you don't want to walk super far. Okay, you guys, we decided to walk over to California Casino, which is also a sister property of Main Street, to catch some action. Actually, you know what, you guys, I'm on the hunt for some coffee. I came over here for some coffee. Okay, I am back in the room after a full day at Main Street Casino. I'm gonna have to say, oh, you guys, I didn't love it. I didn't love it at all. Even at the price point of $40-something without the resort fee and taxes, I'm still not gonna thumbs up this place. I think it's dated. There's nothing to eat. There were two places. It was the brewery and the buffet. And if you don't feel like going to the brewery, the buffet, they said, was only open until 2 o'clock on a weekday. I guess it's open for dinner on a weekend, but I'm here on a Monday, so I couldn't eat there. So there was nothing to eat. There's no fitness center. There is no pool. If you were going to use any of those two, you'd have to walk over to California Casino, which is their sister property. And it is a short walk. You just cross a bridge. But I don't know, you don't really want to be in your bathing suit and walking, through a bridge to another casino. The floor was dead. I get it. It's a Monday, but I have stayed at other casinos on a Monday which were busier. So I didn't win, but that doesn't really affect my opinion about the place. Super close to the Fremont Street experience. You can walk, like I said, California Casino is really close. There is Circa and Plaza. It's not right next door, but it's walkable. I just think there are other choices in downtown Las Vegas. Sorry, Main Street, I didn't love it here, but even their suite was dated. So, it was bigger than this deluxe room, but I think it needs a refresh. The beds, though, I did try the beds. I'm gonna say the beds are fluffy, and the bathroom is looks like it's been updated, so that's okay. The TV's big. If you were to stay here, I think it's a good deal, but you'd probably end up not really just enjoying this casino. There's not a lot to do. You'd probably walk out there and do it, but otherwise, I'm gonna have to say no. I didn't love it. If you've ever stayed here before, let me know what you guys think, but I didn't love my stay here. It's time to say goodbye, but before you go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video. It really does help my channel grow. Thank you so much for hanging out with me again. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at inandoutofvegas.